What up, fam? It's about 8 o'clock, January 10th at Crystal Mountain. Heading to work. Had a fire in our cabin. And smoke damage caused the destruction of about 98% of our things. It's crazy. We threw them all out yesterday. Closed the door on all our sessions. It's very emotional. Luckily, there is renter's insurance, but still, you know, your property is more than just money. It's gonna be Bluebird today. There's 10 inches of powder on the ground. Oh yeah, and there's no one here. Like, that's 8 lots, 3 cars deep. That's it. It's gonna be fucking sick. Oh, it's so pretty out. Oh man, look at that. I'll put it at 60. Do some vertical. This is highly sketchy. Would not recommend doing it like this. How's it going? Yeah, bud. Say have a good one. Oh yeah, there it is. Sick. I feel way better. Turns out coming outside and just kicking it and taking pictures, enjoying the cold air and enjoying the very lucky circumstances that I find myself in are like a magical cure for feeling shitty. Epic first run down. Totally tomahawked. Gonna meet up with the boys now.
Oh, it's been a while. You've been out making your way, trying to pave through the rubble. Traveling man with your ticket in hand, did you miss me?
Oh, yeah! That was the perfect spot. Cheese, hi mom.
I've been missing more than you boys, so baby, I tell you. They're spelling out your name in lights, but let's turn the lights off.
I like that too.
I like that stance because it looks like you're about to just duck.
Actually, that one's pretty sick too, even though it's not all in there. Like,
Yeah,
that's
dope.
sick. Yeah.
See, that's the thing. I should have just shot really wide because I got all the room in the world to crop.
We're on resort in
Yeah.
Memorial. I mean, so if we can like have the time to like,
You know, it looks like a
slow down and take a shot like that
Yeah.
on like a main run, it's crazy. You know?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah.
These trees are all caked. So sick. run. Not wind affected at all.
See the turn, that's sick. You can see like the...
We're gonna try a test here. This one has a little ND on it, but it's dead now. So we're just gonna slap this one on, see how it goes, see what it looks like with the same settings.
Yeah. Just so sharky through this fucking shit.
Yeah.
No reason to. We should have gone for a big open one.
Yep. Sometimes you gotta work a little harder to get the shot. We're going up. I'm fucking gassed. Thanks for watching this long, if you made it this long. If you were wondering about the test, what I saw is that the ND filter allowed the shutter to slow down, and therefore the imperfections in the snow were all erased. Without the ND is that you could see all like the wind ripples and stuff, and the snow didn't look as buttery. So that was just an interesting observation. I like the ND look personally, but everyone's got their own flavor. I will be working on the audio for the next video. Bought some dead cats for the GoPro. And you know, this is just all impromptu and just recorded it just for me. So yeah, that is what it is. I could definitely do better for you. Oh, well, have a blessed day. Love you guys.